we going?
We're going to
Riverside. Hi everyone, today we are here at Port Orleans Riverside and we're going to eat some dinner. We're at the Mill restaurant, which is like a cafeteria style. It has different little places that you can go up and get different types of food like burgers, chicken sandwiches. But today we got our food. It was around $30-some, $32, I believe. It does not take annual passport or discount. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got today. We got the jumbo pizza, so the kids were able to split it. So this is Nadia's cheese pizza, and then Owen's cheese pizza, and it was considered one slice. So we just cut it down the middle. They're still really big pizzas. Brandon got the jambalaya with some cornbread and butter, and then I got this giant turkey sandwich. It is huge, like, look at that. It's a really big sandwich. And yes, and then we got some chips to go along with it. It has turkey, of course, I think aioli sauce, and these are red bell peppers. So it looks really good. Let's go ahead and eat. I just wanted to show you all. Look at this big hunk of mozzarella cheese. Like, that is just one giant slice of mozzarella cheese. It looks absolutely delicious. And then the turkey. Oh my goodness. This is one giant sandwich, artisan bread. It looks giant and delicious. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to finish this all, but I'm gonna try. Is that enough Parmesan cheese for you?
Nope.
You need more? Okay. The sandwich is huge. Like, it's like comically funny how big this sandwich is. It is just, it's giant. I don't even know. It's already falling apart in my hands. Red peppers everywhere. It's good. I like that it has aioli sauce on it because I do not like mayonnaise. Not a fan of mayonnaise or milk or whip at all. And so I'm very glad that it has a different sauce on here. It's very good. All right. Brandon got the 50th anniversary cheesecake. It's got like sparkles on it.
I want to eat that part.
Oh, I'm moving here.
Ooh.
What's here?
Like little decorations on the side there. Look at that. It's all sparkly.
Oh, you can eat that.
That looks
part.
pretty good. And then Owen, what kind of milkshake did you get?
Orange.
Orange milkshake?
I don't know what's
What kind? Is it just regular cheesecake? It looks
It tastes
pink.
like it's got like a little bit of raspberry or something.
Yeah, it looks pink.
It's got a little bit of raspberry.
It looks good. Okay, we're gonna walk around a little bit and see the things inside this restaurant. We have the Mill. And this is where the drink stations are. So wherever you get your water, your ice, your pop, coffee, all your drinks. We have a TV over here. It's only indoor seating, so nothing outside. The Riverside Mill. They do have mobile order pickup areas. So over here is the salad and sandwiches. And then across the way they have burgers and chicken and a bakery. And then there's the dessert that Brandon got. Cookies and cream cupcakes look good. And then it's actually actually spinning around. Spinning, spinning, and spinning. For the beverage station. We are now outside and there's this porch. We're just walking around and here's the lake, but this is the mill. So inside is the restaurant that we just ate at. And then there's the mill right there. We're just gonna walk around with our milkshakes outside. There it is. The Candy Cauldron. Everybody else got their dessert, their treat over at the resort, but I waited mine out and came here to Disney Springs and got mine at Candy Cauldron. There is the Candy Cauldron, so there's the sign up top. It's dark outside, so you can really see the candy apple on the top. I love candy apples. So that was my choice for a treat. We are inside the Candy Cauldron. Ooh, that is good. I want this one.
It's true, it's comparable. It's just a little bit more cinnamon. Alright.
That's all.
Now what's this?
Are you an annual pass holder or just giving it?
Annual pass holder.
I want the pineapple cookie.
I need to see the card and a photo ID.
Pineapple? I want that one.
Thank you so much. Hi, Princess. How are you doing today?
Still at Disney Springs on our way out. They have a whole bunch of Encanto paintings all over the construction walls over here. They're beautiful. And the music is loud in the background. But they have two more up here. Some beautiful paintings for little backdrops. Okay, we are home now, and this thing is just so yummy and delicious looking. Sticks in there a little crooked, but it is still going to be yummy. So excited. So many sprinkles on here. Completely coated. It looks so good. And these ears are marshmallows. And Nadia said she wanted to eat one of the marshmallows, so go ahead. Eat one of the marshmallows. You might just have to rip it off. Let's see. Made a little tiny bite of the marshmallow. All right, this is gonna be so good. Thanks so much for watching tonight as we ate dinner over at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort for Disney, and then came back to Disney Springs. We rode the boat, and we were able to go back to Disney Springs and get a candy apple at the Cauldron. So delicious. I love candy apples. They're my favorite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. We parked at Disney Springs, of course, but we didn't park in the parking garage. We were able to just park out here in this flat parking lot. So we decided to do that today instead of parking in like the orange garage. So thanks so much for watching, and now
it's your family time.
Here.
Bye. And now it's your family time. Bye.